Although it's usually chilly in February, it's a great month to get out into the garden and start preparing for spring. Cut back the foliage on ornamental grasses and herbaceous plants for fresh growth in the spring. Plant lily and allium bulbs for some bold blooms next year. Plant bare root roses which will establish quickly and flower in their first year. Prune your hedges before birds start making nests in them. Prepare your vegetable beds for planting by removing any weeds and digging in 5 centimetres of chicken manure and fertilising as required. Begin chitting seed potatoes. You can do this by placing them in an egg box in the light, eye end up. Stop when the shoots get to about 3 centimetres. Check your soil's pH value if you don't know it, as this will help you pick the right plant varieties for your garden. Plant a climber against any wall, for example a shed or garage, that you'd like to cover up or add interest to. Divide bulb sets and replant the divisions to make your existing bulbs more productive and to gain additional plants.